Igbo na mana ga mte eke nkwa amụna bike bi na enweta video ya udo dịla onye ọbụla udo dịla nwoke udo dịla nwanyị. Our brother Justice Ozobi oskwa ko bịa reply ya that lady ahụ nweta video ya nsi no na ọ na-ebuletin n'isi. Enwe ndị buletin n'isi ị na-achezi ka ha ụfọdụ oge na-ajụ kedu ihe ndị Igbo melụ ndị a? Kedu onwere ihe ya asị particularly na ndị Igbo melụ ndị a? Nothing. Okay, mekwana na research kunu ma na such thing ha borrow from your government and such hasilala osokwa ya bolo ihe ọbụla na ha chọrọ. Osokwa ya megini no bolo ihe ọbụla that they don't want to give ears to it. So nene ihe Justice Ozobi reply that lady and the woman kwamgbe the lady bịa ha akọkwala ọnụ wewelo the lady sikwa na gịnị na no ya esuo ya amarozi m nke bụ nke mana biko no na top on this video on the by ka ọ dịkwan.
Okay, greetings. There is this impression that I want to correct. Yeah, I want to correct this Ijo woman, this Ijo young lady. Anyway, she's no longer young, she's an old lady now. Dear sister, first of all, my post didn't insult you. That's number one. Either did my post insult Ijo people. In my life, I have never engaged in online dragging because I know I have bad mouth and I know what I'm capable of doing. And as someone who practices law, I know do's and don'ts. I know loose and loss guiding every protocols. So I don't engage in rubbish. Have you ever seen me dragging anyone online? So let me correct this impression. Let me correct this lie. Let me correct this fallacy that you are using against me. First of all, I made a post. I said Ijo people are not up to 30k. That's 30,000 people, right? And you said that's an insult to the Ijo people, right? Because I said they are not up to 30,000 people. My dear sister, this is just an argument. You can earn your opinion too. You can earn your own point. You can argue that and say no, that they are above 30,000 people without insults. Go through my posts, all the posts that I made. I didn't insult you for the very first time. I don't know you, you don't know me. As you meet me new, so I meet you new. And in my address, I didn't insult you or insult Ijo people. Show me where I called you people names. Show me where I disrespected you or either Ijo people. The reason I'm responding you is this. I went through your profiles and I found out that you are a graduate, which means you are somehow a little educated enough to understand what you are doing. You get? When I made that post, because you are lying against me into formula. You said I block you. You said I said the Igbo people are 30,000 people. So if someone said that Igbo people are 30,000 people, does that mean an insult? It is left for me to come online and say that that's a lie, that Igbo people are above 30,000 people. Just like I said that Igbo people are over 200 million people. And you thought I'm lying. I have my statistics. I have my evidences. I have made a research. I have traveled and I have seen. Forget we they do online something. I know what I'm saying. That one aside. And as I said that Igbo people are over 200 million people, you debated it. That is salty for debating that. It is your opinion, and I have my own opinion too. So how does Ijo people being 30,000 people being an insult to Ijo people? Does that warrant what you did? As I made that post, I insulted my own people in defending you. My people came to my comment section. You saw it by yourself. All of them were insulting me. Didn't you see it? Didn't you see that almost all my fans were insulting me, threatening me and all that? You still came there and joined them to insult me too. Because people already say that you don't have manners. You don't have manners as a lady. And according to you, Ijo women are brave in insulting people. Ijo women are brave in insulting men. You can insult any man anyhow. That's what Ijo women are known for. Oh, we appreciate you for that. You are a warrior by insulting everybody that you see. But please stop lying against me. Stop lying against me. I didn't insult Ijo people. I have never insulted any tribe that didn't first insult my tribe. Now I made a post. I said it by 30,000 people. You can debate that. You can say that is a lie. You provide your evidences and all that. That's all. But instead, you came on my comment section. You see what is already going on there. You joined them to insult me too. You started threatening me that I should bring it on. I should warrior, Ijawu warrior. Bring it on. I just look at you. You said that I responded you. I said, yes, sister, I didn't intend to insult you. Do not start what you cannot end. You went back to your page immediately, because after I made that comment, I closed my comment section, because I don't want all this thing, all this nuisance that you are constituting on my comment section. I don't want your nuisance on my comment section. You went back to your page. You now made a post, 3 posts interval immediately, all full of insult. The evidence is there. The evidence is there. You accuse me of blocking my comment section, that I'm a woman. I'm not believe. But this is all I'm avoiding then, because I don't want to drag you. I closed my comment section. You still went back on your own page, started boasting. You have dealt with him. He has run away. Look at you, that I'll be running away. We challenge government, not you. Who are you? A nobody. You said I blocked my comment section, that if I have the liver, if I said that I'm an Igbo voice of the East, I should open my comment section. For what exactly? As if that is not enough, you went back and posted another picture of me. You referred to my mother. You pity the woman that gave birth to me. As how? What concern my parents with what we are doing online? That was when I said no, that you are mad. I need to put you in chain. Yes, I need to put you where you belong. And after I made my research about you, I sent some people that are researching everything about you. They found out that you were one of those paid by APC on June to cause online conflict. That was when I said, okay, I went back to my page, I blocked you. Reason I blocked you is not because I'm afraid of you. You are a leaflet, you are nobody. I blocked you so that you will not come on my comment section to constitute nuisance again. You will not go to my comment section and start making noise. Because I see that what you needed is for my people to recognize you, which I refused. I have over 200,000 people there. And out of the 200,000, over 150,000 people there are Igbo people. And I don't want them to know you like that. Yes, that was why I blocked you. And to show you that I'm not fucking afraid of you, as you are claiming up and down, justice is afraid of me. Afraid of you, church alert. I went back to my second page, because that is where you should be wrong. Now my second page, that is where you should be wrong. I went there and I have to clarify so many things. I made my own post explaining what happened and all that. You still come to my comment section there calling me coward, and you and your people. You can imagine men saying that you are a warrior, a woman clapping for you, that a woman, a single mother like you, is fighting for them. A whole entire Ijaw people. They started boasting. I should unblock you now. You want to kill a bee? You are a strong woman. You don't have manners. You don't have respect. One single respect, no day your brain. As if that is not enough, I now said, okay, let us do this more, because you have posted at a small time now. I will start playing victims. Now, me and you now, who they play victims now? Who they play victims? Sometimes if we keep silent, it be as if maybe we don't know our right, or maybe we cannot talk. I look at you as a woman and I don't want to what they call it, body shame you, and you are there making noise up and down. You are a woman. I dare an advantage. You are a single mother as that. I'm a married man. If you don't know, I'm married. I can drag you anyhow I want. Nothing they share. I can decide to marry another woman tomorrow. But to you, if I body shame you, you can never marry again. There you are threatening. You will go to court. You go to court. Okay, let us go to court. One thing you don't know is that Nigerian government has regulated what you are doing. All these things you are doing online, the Nigerian government amended it this year. They passed it into bill and it has been assigned that anybody that will come out to cause tribal conflict or anything that will make 2 tribes has issues, that the person will go to jail. It's there in the internet. If you don't know, go and browse it. Go and browse it, because you are acting out of ignorance, and you by yourself said you want to take the matter to court. My dear, I want you to take that matter to court. I'm waiting for you. Do you know why I'm not taking you serious? Like, I will not say let me drag you to court. Is this, you are a woman, number 1. 2, if I do it, people will be like, I'm doing this because I have the power. If not, I would have by myself drag you to court first. Go and ask about me. Go and ask Showore about me. Ask Reno about me if you don't know. You think I did online with all these mini barogas. I know they get time for rubbish. I don't drag people. Show me where I have ever dragged anyone. Meanwhile, Asari Dokbo has been insulting Igbos for years. Nobody has ever said a word about it. You are there, you are seeing it. But one thing I know is that whenever election remains 6 months to come, that's whenever it remains 6 months or 7 months for election to come, most of you will come online and start causing tribal conflict without knowing that Nigeria has already amended it this year. Nigeria has amended it this year. Let us see who will try that rubbish again. We will drag you to court. You provide. You said you are referring to Igbos according to your, what do you call it, history books. You will come to court and provide the writer of the history book. We want to know who writes the book and who authorized such nonsense. You just want to put yourself a problem anyway.